Welcome to our tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll guide you how to download Microsoft Word/Office for free. 1. Open your browser and type Microsoft Store. 2. Click on Top Free Apps Microsoft Store from the results. 3. It will redirect you to Microsoft Store. 4. Now type Office in the search bar and search for it. 5. Open the Shop tab. 6. Now go to the apps and tap on Show All. 7. Then scroll down and you will find Office Free. 8. Tap on it and then tap Get in Store app. 9. Click on Install. 10. Open it after it is installed. Now you can access Microsoft Word and other apps from there. Congratulations. You have successfully learned how to download Microsoft Word/Office for free.